Hi, Giancarlo Newsom with G-Force again. Video number 4 for your Marketing Fundamentals Mastery. Thanks for following this. I hope this has been helpful. I know in many respects you may find this stuff you know, but let me ask you, are you doing it? So I hope these tips will help you get there. Don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help. Of course, we offer for some tools to help that you can pay for, but there's a lot of tools you can use that don't cost anything at all. But the key thing is, remember, for every fundamental we share with you, just do it. Okay, so video number 4, what we're going to cover today is your word of mouth system. So we have this big field here. What have they done? They've already cultivated, they've already had success. But what do we want to do? We want to take those seeds and replant them. That's word of mouth. If you aren't leveraging word of mouth, you're leaving money on the table. Too many clients are buying AdWords and doing all this fancy, retargeting. It's all great stuff, but you have a gold mine with all your existing customers that are happy. Now, when I say word of mouth, that means also knowing the customers who are not happy. Do you know who your customers are that are not happy? Therefore, here's the takeaway point. It is critical. If you know that word of mouth marketing is the most important marketing, then are you tracking it? You can't say it's the most important marketing if you're not tracking it. So, number 4 video course, what we're encouraging and asking our clients to do as a marketing fundamental is track your word of mouth. You can do that very easily. You can create a Google form that you send out once a year to your network that asks for survey information. Okay? And I'm pausing to let the car go by. Okay, because I can crop this out. Also, so after we capture, you need to know whether that form, you can keep up with what is the sentiment and track the sentiment of your network, because most customers aren't going to tell you if you're deteriorating, if you're getting worse. You need to maintain even the negative word of mouth and nip it in the butt. Find out who it is and resolve it, because you don't want negative word of mouth. It's worse than positive word of mouth from a mathematical standpoint. But your positive word of mouth, as soon as someone gives you positive feedback, you want to point them to where to give your online reviews. So if you do a Google form and you collect a bunch of good scores for your word of mouth, and the question you want to ask is, what is your likelihood to recommend us to other? A score of 10 to 1, 10 being very much, 1 being not at all. And those people, you then want to follow up and say, hey, can you give us an online review in these places, and ask for a testimonial? And most importantly, you want to ask for a referral. If they're happy, make them think, push them just a little bit to give you that referral. Most people are glad to do it if you've given them a good job. Anyhow, that wraps up video number 4, word of mouth. You want to know the good and the bad, and you want to track it and keep up with it and keep it going perpetually.